I love the global warming thing. So imagine the global warming is focused on carbon dioxide, right? They want zero carbon emissions, zero carbon goals. So A, I love that if you're really an environmentalist, and I love the environment, I love a clean environment, I would focus on all the pollutants that are going into the air and going into the water, right? The air that we breathe and the water that we look in the air in cities, how disgusting it is. Those are pollutants. That's not
Yeah.
carbon dioxide. Why does no one talk about pollutants? Why does no one care about the pollution in the waters? Why does no one care about the pollution in the oceans and the plastic pollution? Now they have masks that everyone's wearing and dumping them into the oceans. So these people care so much about the environment, but they don't care about pollutants except for carbon dioxide, which is actually not a pollutant. That's actually the only natural emission on this, from again from our exhale. It leads to with the oxygenation process, it leads to more greenery, right? The trees absorb it. That's food actually for all green life on this planet. So they focus on the one thing that's not a pollutant, carbon dioxide. When there's all these pollutants that you can look at and say, wait, these cities are disgusting. Why don't we clean them up? No one cares about that. They only want to get rid of carbon dioxide. And what happens if you cut carbon emissions? Realistically, you're going to kill off probably half the planet because people are not going to be able to survive on the energy from wind and solar. It's not going to happen. Look at these documentary, The Planet of the Humans, that was done. Michael Moore produced it. It came out this year on YouTube. It was very good. It was talking about just how inefficient this source is. But they want us to believe that if they cover the entire planet with wind and solar panels, that we're going to be able to survive. No, they don't want us all to survive. They want to kill people. It's inevitable. If you cut carbon emissions from coal and oil and all this stuff and do in the next 10 years, people are going to die en masse. It won't work energetically. The energy efficiency isn't there. So I'm amazed. Like, I agree. Like, I love the idea of the environment, but why are they so fixated on carbon dioxide and none of the other pollutants? Interesting.